So unfortunately we already have to leave this beautiful agriturismo. We would even have had a pool. That's already the 5th pool we didn't use. And now we will go and visit this beauty here, San Gimignano. I will link you this wonderful agriturismo below the video. San Gimignano is a small town near to Florence. It's also known as the medieval Manhattan due to the fact that during the Middle Ages there were 72 gender tower houses, and those gender tower houses, they got built by the rich patrician families. It was kind of a challenge that as richer a family was, as taller their tower had to be. So they were challenging each other. And from those 72 towers, there are only 15 left, from which you can only visit one, the Torre Grossa. That's with 54 meters, the tallest of all the towers that are still existing. And you can climb up the 218 stairs if you like. And because it's such cold weather today, with over 30 degrees, we will do that. We made it to the top of the tower. It needs a bit of effort, but at least you get this great view over the town. So the entry for one person was €9 to get on the top of the Torre Grossa, and there's also a little museum with some art, with some old paintings. And now we get ourselves an ice cream. That's another famous attraction here in San Gimignano, the Gelateria Dondoli. The owner of this gelateria was the Gelato world champion. You can see it in 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009. And there's also written the real San Gimignano's Gelato master, because down the street here there's another one, and he's claiming the best ice cream in the world. So don't get irritated when you're looking for the ice cream master. That's him.
Buongiorno.
Tu sei il
Buongiorno, e sì che sono il capo. Buongiorno, where are you from?
Svizzera.
Pizza, Svizzera Beach.
Jawohl.
Pizza Beach. Schöne Glas wünsche ich dir.
Merci vielmals, danke. Ciao.
Ciao.
If you're here in San Gimignano, you definitely have to go to the Gelateria Dondoli. Yeah, it's right here on the main square, the Piazza della Cisterna. You will pass it when you walk through the city. It's right on located at the main street, this main square here. And yeah, the ice cream is very delicious, and the best is the boss of this gelateria. That's it from San Gimignano. Also, this town is perfect if you want to do a one-day trip. You will have enough time to visit the most relevant attractions. We will now go back to the Agriturismo for picking up our rental car, and we have to wash it. It's so dirty due to our off-road activities. And in the evening we will bring it back to the rental station in Florence. In Florence we will stay until the day after tomorrow.